say. I'm gonna take a sip of my coffee. Oh, I hope you guys loved the intros. Those are probably like my favorite intros actually that I do for Dollar Tree. You know what I'm about to do. I'm about to show you the Dollar Tree haul, but first I have to say, if it looks like I'm a little bit more pale than usual, it's because I tried a new makeup routine and I have absolutely no bronzer on. And I don't know if I'm okay with that. I'm gonna jump into the haul straight away because I'm so excited for you guys to see some of these things. I didn't think at this point, to be honest, that I would find any more new Easter stuff, even though I've been hauling for years and this is how Dollar Tree works anyways, and I say that all the time. You think, you would think that I would just learn or know, but I'm surprised every time. I found this cute little sign and honestly everything about it is perfect. There's nothing that I would change. So there are two different color options. One is more pastel and the other one is more bright colors. Is that what Dollar Tree is doing here? But I found these three and this one is my favorite with the bicycle. I really like the bright colors and I love the flower basket in the front. The three signs, they're so beautiful. I think what I was trying to say with the bicycle is I really like how many flowers that they put in the basket, how some of it's kind of cascading down. It just looks so full and so pretty. Now what really shook me were these. Anyways, here's what they look like and I love them. I think they're so sweet and beautiful and each color is very spring to me. Even the gray one. I even like the gray one. I usually don't care for gray. Close to those spring yard signs, I also found these, and these are definitely a brand new shipment. Gorgeous. I only found them in the two colors, but this green one is absolutely gorgeous. And then the clear. And the first thought that I had, Dollar Tree sells those like black metal brackets. I was thinking about attaching them to the fence and then this hangs from the bracket kind of thing and then putting a candle. How pretty would that be? It's kind of like having your own solar lights. You could even put solar lights inside of it and that would be even perfect because then you wouldn't have to worry about turning the candle on and off, you know, and it is subject to the outside elements. I've seen these sold at Dollar Tree for so many years. I honestly don't even know how long these have been there, but it's like fertilizer spikes and they're for flowering plants. Now, I don't exactly know how to use these, so if you have a green thumb, comment down below and let me know. The yard stuff, I'm gonna get into some crafting and just like planning, office supplies type stuff. I found some new clipboards and these are the patterns. They're so cute. You can see it's by Jot. Here's this one, which is my favorite. This blue one is everything. They even have like a dinnerware that's very similar to this. And then the buffalo check. This buffalo check, especially if it's like your thing and you're doing like a modern American farmhouse style, this right here would be really cute to do a command center. I found some baking cups and these are really cute because I love the orange buffalo check. What I want to point out is the label. So this is going to be gone once spring is gone. Now Dollar Tree sells baking cups, but again, the label's going to tell you how long it will kind of rotate and be available on the shelves. So if you love this orange, maybe you could use it a little bit later on, grab it now because this specific print will be gone once they start loading in for summertime. So super cute, love that. I also picked up pretty random this Kool-Aid cotton candy. It's a little spring mix. I've shown this in some past hauls, but I've just been really into this like pastel plaid buffalo check thing going on. So I got 3 of these, which I think it'll just be a lot easier to show. Now there's a fly rolling around because I have the door open for Loki. But these are so pretty, so I wanted to get more. And then I got a little pastel rainbow set. These are great for crafting, so that's what I got them for. This is new, some thumbtacks. really fun actually by Jot. But yeah, it's just what it is. They're just little thumbtacks. These are brand new and they're just like keychains. They have this little clip. What are these called? I know the name, but it's just not coming to my head. But anyway, so here's this print with the hearts and it has like a little purple metal piece to it. And then here is this one with the blue piece. This reminds me of a TikTok account that I love watching, and she runs like this business where she puts together like a self-defense keychain set, and it comes with like or you can like customize it and add like all your little bells and whistles, and so she'll like pack orders, and it just kind of reminds me of that. I picked up another one of these bars of soap by, who is this by again? Sugar Soap Works. I've bought this before, but I've bought them previously for like decorative purposes for my guest bathrooms. But this time I was like, you know what? I want this for my shower because I've been getting into using some soap bars as well as body wash. So I do either like, I'll do both sometimes, or I'll do one or the other. And I just decided, I was like, you know what? I want to try this actually for myself. So this is the oatmeal and lemon. So very excited about that. And then more bath stuff. Bolero put out these body scrubs. And what I love about Bolero is the packaging, because it's just so pretty. And it's always fun to see what they're gonna come up with next. So this one right here is a cactus flower and pear. Love that. This one is a rose water and jasmine. So these are gonna look so pretty in a gift basket. This one's a lavender and orange blossom. These will be great for the older crowd for Easter baskets, by the way. And then this one is eucalyptus and verbena. I don't know if I'm saying that right or wrong. Somebody let me know. All right, who remembers a couple hauls ago I hauled like this car sponge wash thing? I talked about how I wanted to start maybe washing my own cars, and so it kind of got me to look at the other items. And this is just the Armor All. This is a multi-purpose cleaner, and I thought, you know what, starting off with small bottles might be best, because if I decide to abandon ship and go back to the car wash, you know, it's just a little bottle. So this is an all-purpose cleaner, so I can do it on the inside. This is the Tire Shine. So yeah. And this one is a glass cleaner. And then I also found these, which I knew looking at them straight away that they were new. I've never seen these before. So this one is the all clear, lemon scent automotive protectant wipes. I thought they might just be good to keep in the car. Maybe just like wipe it down when I need to. This is a fresh scent glass wipes. Couple of items that I got for my niece. They put out the little kitchen items, which are so cute. Now this one I feel like they've done before, but the grilled cheese. I said, wait a minute. This definitely looks new. It's a cute little play set. You get the spatula, the knife, the pan, the bread, 2 slices of bread, and the cheese. I thought that was super adorable. She has a little kitchen set at home, so I'll send her home with these. And this is just eggs and bacon, and it's filled with all Dollar Tree like birthday things. And so I got this one. It says 5. My niece is gonna turn 5, and I think I might have gotten some candles, but I don't think I got this one, and I got it just in case I wanted to use this instead. I also picked up more of these paper treat bags. I've hauled quite a few in my day. In like the last 8 years I've been doing Dollar Tree hauls on YouTube. But recently I have honestly found like a renewed sense of excitement for these items, and that's one of the biggest reasons why I simply love Dollar Tree. Because one year they serve one purpose for me, and then the next time I go in and pick them up, I'm using them for something completely different. And these little paper treat bags are fabulous for crafting. To Dollar Tree, and items that I see and pass a million times because I've already hauled it, I'm just like, you know what? No, now I have a different use for these. So I don't know, I guess that makes me happy. I also picked up more of these wall borders, which I've picked up before. I remember the first time I showed this little bicycle set, which by the way is like each bicycle is in the rainbow color, which is so cute. These would also be great for crafting, and that's like, now that I'm getting back into journaling, which has been really good for me, and just having a hobby, I'm starting to go into Dollar Tree and seeing things from a different eye, I guess. And I really like the scallop trim too. I think it'll be really cute to do like a fun little spread with these. And there's 12 pieces in here. Obviously I'll cut them down. I could either cut like 2 bikes at a time or 1 bike at a time, like whatever, to fit in the journal. And then I also found this one, which I've never hauled before. Has just like diamonds. Same concept here. You know, I've seen the jewels before at Dollar Tree, but now I'm definitely looking at them from a junk journal perspective. And they're just so cute, and I love the mint green shade of these little like hearts. And then I also picked up some paper clips. I want to make some like custom paper clips like I used to back when I crafted a few years ago. I used to make so many. I still have them. Actually, if you follow my Instagram and you're watching this the day that it's getting released, go over to my Instagram and I'll do some stories on my stash. So anyways, so I kind of want to get back into doing some custom paper clips. I might sell them on my Etsy. I don't really know. But you know it's coming soon. I'm gonna be doing the coolest, in my opinion, the coolest bookmarks. And I'm so excited for them. Like, oh, I'm so excited. Anyways, all right. Next up, I also got this address book. Same thing. I went into this trip, you can really kind of tell that I went in and I started to really kind of like shift my focus. And even though it's just like a proper address book, I really like how each section you can probably cut down. And these would actually be really cute for junk journaling. If you've never watched any junk journal videos before, just YouTube them. And my favorite lady, I'm gonna link her down below. I have two favorite ladies, and so definitely go watch them. They're fabulous. And also I picked up several of these little books, the lemons, and wait for the, yo, I can't deal. I've already hauled this before, but it's still so pretty that I get excited all over again, because $1.25, like what? So there's that, and it's just beautiful. Even as like a gift, this is stunning. They also have it in the tropical vibes. So pretty. And they also have it in this one, the big plans. That, yeah, so I just got, you know, dupes of the lemon and a dupe of the tropical vibes. Can you spot the dog? Give you a minute. He moved now. You guys get released before my vlog. My vlogs get released an hour after. Oh, wait till you see today's vlog with him. These items, again, the same thing. I don't think I've ever picked up the raffle tickets actually. So I think this is the first time it's ended up in my videos, but I looked at this and actually 2 things happened in my mind. I looked at this from a junk journaling perspective, and again, I got so excited. It's honestly been, for me, one of the, and I've done a lot, 99.9% of it off camera. I showed like a couple of pages or like 1 page on my vlog, but it's just been so healthy for me. So right now I'm just in this season where little things like this excite me. There's a lot in here. There's 250 tickets, which this is going to be great if you're doing a little party, a little circus themed party, a fair party or something. These would be great for, or you know, you're doing something for the school and you need little tickets. These are great for that, but I am actually going to use them for journaling. And then the second idea that I had, so I got several of these. Whoa. So I got several of them, but then I saw the popcorn bag, and you get 8 count in here. Super adorable. And I thought that after my spring care package to my daughter, I want to do a movie themed care package, which is so perfect because both her and I are just big movie buffs, and I haven't done a movie themed care package. So I'm gonna do one for her in May, and I know, I'm just so excited. And the movie tickets, or the tickets, by the way, I thought I could use to maybe like decorate the inside of the care package with. So yeah, multi-purpose use for those. And then I had to go back and pick up more of the Jot markers. I think they are absolutely fabulous. You know Jot is my favorite brand at Dollar Tree. Like wall decal sign, and it's very spring and super sweet. I love the bumblebees. So pretty. But they're also new because what Dollar Tree has done prior to this were only butterflies. Do you guys remember I did a care package for my daughter with butterflies? I'll try to find it and link it down below. I basically lined the inside of the box with all yellow paper, and then I got these stickers from Dollar Tree and the butterflies, and I put butterflies everywhere. And anyways, now they're doing flowers. Like what? And they're so much prettier in person, let me tell you. Like the camera is not doing it justice. And birds. So adorable. They're just giant stickers. So I found those. And then welcome to my channel. I love stickers. Like that's it. That's the end of the sentence. So, and I got quite a few dupes in here, so I'll just go ahead and show you guys. Each one by one. These little flowers are everything. And then I got a few of the little sunflowers. Look at that. So cute. And then here's this set, like the all pink. Got a couple of those as well. And then this one, the hydrangeas. No, they didn't. And I got quite a few of those too. And then I think these are gonna be part of Wednesday's haul. So you're getting a little sneak peek because there's a bunch of other stickers that I slotted for Wednesday's video. But I found a box full. They hadn't even unpacked yet of these, which they've done these little stickers before, but this one in particular with the sandcastle and the watermelon, look at that lemonade. I love Dollar Tree stickers, and I've fallen even more in love with them recently since doing all of my Etsy orders, and it's given me a chance to actually go through everything that's in my craft drawers. And I've just looked at some of the stickers that they don't sell anymore. They're done, they're gone. And I'm like, this is why I buy them in doubles and triples and quads, like, because they don't come back and they're so good. I mean, that doesn't mean you should buy, 15 of the same stickers because it's never coming back. But for me, I haven't regretted it, you know what I mean? And that's it for today's haul. Also, I wanted to show you the earrings in case you didn't really get a good look at them. They're so cute. They're from Shein. They're little rainbow, like plastic, and they're so adorable. But anyways, that was also pretty random. On that note, we'll see you next time. Bye.